Welcome back to Face Ripper Records. Today, some new music for you in the form of Gospel of Decay. They have just released on the 5th of April an EP entitled Veil of Silence. Now, quite an interesting project, this one. Robert Eaton is the lead singer. He's a seasoned musician and visionary, and he's kind of bringing his creative genius to the forefront in this EP. He's the guiding force from songwriting and composition to production and vocals, and he's kind of shaped the EP. She's joined by Brandy Roberts, that's backup vocals. She's also expertise in a producer with a keen ear, meticulous attention to detail. She's been integral in shaping, again, this distinctive sound that they are promising us in this EP. There's been a number of contributions, and I'm hoping I'm going to get some of these names correct, as is always my struggle. Okay, Matthew Decoutros, violins. A master of the violin. Captivating melodies, intricate compositions. He adds depth and emotion to each track. So violins appearing on something heavy, always good. As a band I love, called Karak Angren. A violin features there. It's an instrument I tried to pick up after I'd done keyboards and guitars, and sadly, that's where my talent ends. Really interested to hear this addition of artistry in the EP. Next up, Sleep Blackheart, known for his expertise in guitars and bass. He's a member of the band Eyes of Your Eyes, and yep, so he's been making an impact in the world of metal music. He's a contributor. Nikola Drusmanic, I think, Serbian black metal band The Stone. So he's brought his drumming skills. Henrik Sandor, composer and instrumentals. He's kind of involved in the evocative arrangements. Sound of Grief, which is the track that I'm going to play on this EP, Veil of Silence. He's done ethereal keys, somber guitars, and it's stated on the website that his craftsmanship infuses the song with a profound sense of melancholy and depth. So it really is sounding like something else. And of course, there's a special thanks to Aaron Stainthorpe, renowned as the haunting voice of My Dying Bride. He has lent his immense talent to the EP with his unmistakable vocals. Yeah, so there we go. Quite the project, quite the introduction. Very nice website, I must say. And even at this early stage, the EP was released on the 5th of April. It is now, I think, the 15th. Yes, it is indeed. And already, headphones falling to the floor. Already we have things like scented candles and things like this on the merch. An amulet, a scented soy candle. So being very unique and clever in the merch setup. Loving the artwork, loving the fonting. It's a 3-track EP, and well, we're just gonna roll with it. Sound of Grief. Here we go. Okay, ooh, interesting. Nice, like little hisses and pops. Oh, That's a nice change. Oh, so was that.
The shadow of despair clouds my heart. Dark, seeded memories become
This is like very
vines of rot,
vampiric.
entangled in the grief of fallen gods. There once was hope, now all is lost.
Of the things
giving you pain, there'll no longer be a reason to suffer in this sad life any longer. There will be no more heartache. Free of the things giving you pain, there'll no longer be a reason to suffer in this sad life any longer.
Wow, there's so much to love about that track. Jesus Christ. Like, okay, so I don't always get excited by doom metal. Unfortunately, I come with this predisposition to absolutely manic stuff. I mean, look around me. There's a lot of kind of brutal stuff. But I haven't been this excited about a kind of doom release since I first heard Drift Into Black's Earth Torn. This really kept things going. The sections, the breakaways, some of these chord changes, for the different dynamics in the vocals, the way whatever was playing before it lent into that keyboard solo. I love that. It's a kind of tone that I absolutely love, have used in my Callicin. And it was like rip your face off brutal at times as well. I haven't got the words. I really haven't got the words. I love it. I love the look. I wish I could have actually been less excited to actually remember every nuance of that track. But what I will say is that this is compositionally really nice. Certain things are coming to my head now. I love the brass touches. The introduction of the violin was superb. Yeah. This one is on repeat, and if you want it on repeat, it's going to feature in our April playlist, which, of course, at the end of the month, or actually as now, I've changed the strategy, as we go along, it now forms part of an annual omnibus, absolutely hours of music. Gospel of Decay, Robert and Co., you have my absolute full support on this, absolute backing. I really am looking forward to diving into the rest of the EP. I'm sure it's going to be as brilliant as what I've heard, but for this as a debut, as an opener, absolutely smashed it. Brought something fresh to Doom. Doom progressive symphonic, dark, vampiric. It's beautiful. It's just made my morning. I'm really happy with this. So don't forget to if you like being introduced to new music, follow this bald chap. And if you really want to be introduced to loads more music, there's our website, www.facepaperrecords.com. But more important than any of that, then there's going to be a link below to the band's website, and from there you can go out to socials and stuff and what have you. I'll populate some links and what have you. This is one to watch. I hope I've said enough. This Sound of Grief, loved it, absolutely loved it. 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10. Okay, I'm going to push play on the rest, and I hope you guys do the same.